Good afternoon, YouTubers. I'm not an expert. Today, another tool review. It's right in time for Christmas. All right, it's a little late for Christmas because Christmas is in a couple days. But if you want to get someone a belated Christmas gift, this is the Compass Rose bench stop or planing stop. Now, I was watching a few weeks ago, Rex Krueger was talking about bench stops, and they sold a screw down bench top. And then, of course, you've got your choices of drilling holes in your top or putting a square hole in the top or affixing something to the end of the bench. And I thought, I don't want to put any more holes in my bench top. So I'm watching Rex Krueger, and he has this device, this planing stop, which he's showing. And even in his video, he says, maybe you just don't want to put more holes in your bench top. And I thought, that's me. I don't want to put more holes in my bench top. I want to be non-committal. I don't know where I want to put them. So they came up with this. It's stainless steel. It's pretty thick gauge. It clamps into your vise, and you've got a bench top. It's got a hole in it so you can hang it. Matter of fact, when I was watching the video, the first thought was, I should hang that on the end of my bench. And then Rex goes, there's a hole in it so you can hang it on the end of your bench. You know, he obviously knew exactly what I wanted. So I ordered one. Now, it's not inexpensive, okay? But I'm not going to make this myself. And you can see they did a really nice job of it. It's bent at more than 90 degrees, or less than 90 degrees, really. I think he said 88 or 87 degrees. It's a little tighter, so it'll sort of spring flatten down to the bench, which is nice. You can see here that they drilled a hole and made it so it's a radius, so it won't stress crack right there. That's a pretty obvious place. The teeth are cut at 60 degrees, so a regular triangular file will sharpen them if you need to. And it holds up about 3/8 of an inch off the table, which is perfect for a 3/4 inch hunk of wood. And then he suggested you could also tip it up a little if you need it a little taller. Like say if we wanted to put this board on edge and plane it. So let me show it quickly. I've never tried it on edge. Okay, works great, right? I mean, you can't really argue with a very simple device. And then when you're done with it, you can put it away and you have all this bench top without a big piece of metal on it to do other things. So I really like it. So if you head over to rexkrueger.com, it's from Compass Rose Tools. It'll be shipped from Taylor Toolworks, taytools.com is distributing it for them. Came, nicely packaged. It came very quickly. I think it's really nice. It definitely, I give it, I'm giving it a good review. It is exactly what they say it's going to be. So you don't get it and go, oh, it doesn't really do like what Rex said in the video, or, Rex made it look good because he knew how to use it. Nope. It just works exactly like he said. It's, pretty simple device, but, very handy. So, pretty happy with it. Actually, I'm very happy with it. And I think if you need something like this, it might be the solution. I'll put a link down in the description, so if you want to find one, check it out. All right, everybody have a good Christmas. We'll catch you later.